So guys, Miata's going downhill pretty fast here. It's raining. We got a puddle of water back there because for some reason they like to put the glass windows back there. They always break the soft tops and they tend to just leak. So we got a puddle back there. I went to go drop Courtney off at her house and this is happening. So the back right caliper is seized. So if I just dump it, I'm doing a one wheel peel. Ready? Just fucking, look at this. So this thing's not drivable right now. Absolutely not. That's a problem. That is a problem. Okay, so I think I just fixed it. The car is driving normal now. Like, I lifted up the e-brake and I felt that it was like too easy to actually go up. So I figured the e-brake was just like stuck on. I don't really know how that happens. I guess the cable just got like caught up or something. But I just sat there and ripped the e-brake up like 10 times, like really hard to try to disengage the e-brake. And car's driving normal now. So I hope, I mean, I just went around the block. I stomped the brakes 100 times and they're not locking up. Nothing's getting stuck. So I just have to assume that it was the e-brake. So note to self, we need to look at that e-brake and figure it out before we decide to pull it again. At least it's not the caliper. Problem number 2 with the Miata. So just dropped Courtney off. I was literally inside her house for probably 3 minutes. I come out to a pissing drain, a brown pissing drain of coolant down her driveway. And I'm like, well, this thing's probably overheating. Came in here, it started getting pegged with the H, but pegs, I mean, yeah, it's overheating. It's not the worst thing in the world. So I kind of just got in it quickly, started going down a hill. She lives on a big hill, and it started going down from there. Maybe it's just low on coolant. I don't really know, but now that I'm driving, it's going back down to half. Like, it's almost back to where it's supposed to be. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna drive an hour home. I mean, if it starts getting hot while I'm driving, then we have a problem. But if it's just that idle, we're okay to get home. Figured I'd come and say hi to this asshole since I'm in the neighborhood. Courtney lives like 15 minutes away from here, so. And I got a shit. It's locked. Oh my God, look how many fucking wheels are in here. Oh, I forgot to turn the lights on. I was too excited, dude.
What can I do for you?
I'm just coming to say hi.
Okay.
That's it.
Coming to see some real cars.
I'm coming to buy some wheels because apparently it's a wheel shop. Yeah, this is the new GoPro, or the new daily. So I'm going for a ride in this thing. I'm pretty excited because going for a ride right now, I'm really going to be able to tell who's gonna win the race. It sounds so good. I love the white. The GoPro makes it look sick.
Yeah, it's a GoPro. Recording?
It is now.
Okay. So I told Rudnick this is what an engine bay is supposed to look like in a GTR.
It's nice.
It's pretty nice. So I got my mag valve, gradient oil filter relocation to my oil cooler, custom battery tray, new ITBs, Chinese coil packs here. What do those look like to you?
They look like the coil packs I had.
No shit. Custom intercooler piping. My turbos are drained in my radiator.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's nice because normally they recirculate and go back into here. So you basically recirculate hot turbo coolant back into your engine. Yeah. Kind of silly. So what do you think? You think it's fast?
It looks good. We'll see how fast it is.
I mean, all right, so all the people are like, oh, you got to race, you got to. We have the same car, right? We have the same car?
Yeah.
RB26. You got cams?
Yep.
I got cams.
Really the only difference
is the turbos.
That's literally the only difference.
So is like calling one car better in, like, because I could have just got 2530s and made more peak.
No matter what, no one's going to bury anyone.
No.
You know, it's going to be really close.
But it's like, it's dumb. It's a GTR versus GTR. It's not like anyone, like, we didn't reinvent the wheel with these builds.
It's not like I have a different swap.
No, but like the tranny's different, stuff like that. But you're gonna see that this car is not built for drag racing. Is your car built for drag racing?
More so. Yeah.
Was that on purpose?
Or no, I knew when I was going with the 2530s that I was gonna have a little more laggier setup. But now that I live in Florida, I was going more for like a street pole, like a street pole. So a
street car in Connecticut is way different than a street car in Florida.
Of course, yeah.
Because you don't need to take turns in Florida.
No, not really.
No. So like I was gonna do a 2.8. And then after feeling this much power, I know if I do a 2.8, I'd have to upgrade turbos to 2530s, which I would make another 100 wheel.
But if you were at a 2.8, wouldn't it spool quicker?
You would choke out these turbos.
No, I'm talking about the 2530s.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then I would make peak 600, 650, and I wouldn't be able to.
It would be way too much.
It'd be too much. I got 275 R comps on it now, and I just rage them off.
Yeah, like
So,
I'm a little nervous to take my car through the back roads because I feel like I'm in.
it's just gonna steam you right, steamroll you right into the woods.
Yeah. I don't know. I got some good tires, so.
Ah, you got Hankook RS4s.
Yeah.
255, 255s.
255. What are you on? 265?
These are 275 NT01 squared.
Is it rolled?
Yeah.
That's not rolled.
No, that I just caught that the other day.
Dang, that doesn't rub.
It you can catch it. I didn't roll it up enough,
Dang.
so I caught it. But
see, I was just scared to rub. I went super pussy with it.
yeah, you did. All right, let's go for a pull.
Let's see how it is. I love this. That's sick. I don't got the budget for that,
My
dude.
oil temp one doesn't work good. I don't know why.
When does that turbo kick in?
Immediately.
It feels good. I want to go for another pull. I want to watch the RPM this time. That felt sick. I think mine has like the same feeling. It's just
Later.
exactly.
So you're putting a lot of time, leaving a lot of time on the table.
I know. It makes me. It makes me a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
Leave a lot of time for me to just say see ya.
It feels good though. Holy fuck! Whoa.
My 4-wheel drive didn't like that.
Oh my god, this
Never
thing
had that.
rips, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes me a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
The training gearing, and now we're in rear-wheel drive, I guess.
Well, it's a good thing that I have to do one thing to my car before we race.
What's that?
We're not talking about it yet, but
I know what one thing you need to do. It's not small.
It'll be yeah, it's not small at all. It'll be talked about on a later date, but right now I'm just having fun with the Miata.
With the stock Miata.
With it, dude. Honestly, I love it.
So now we're in 2-wheel drive. This is the first time I 4-wheel drive.
So could we drift right here?
It's gonna spin like a.
I say try to drift it.
I'm not gonna choke.
Come on, dude.
I don't like that the 4-wheel drive even came on.
Yeah, that's weird.
It is really weird. So it should be in rear-wheel drive now.
Guess we'll find out in a second. Oh my god.
4-wheel drive works.
Those brakes are fucking amazing.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Jesus.
So what do you think?
It rips.
The rip's good, right?
Like, I'm a little bummed that I haven't felt my car in the passenger seat because, like, you know how you get a different feeling between the driver and the passenger?
Sure.
Like, you can't really feel as much as a driver.
You can feel what lag feels like in your car.
Yeah, no, my car is definitely laggier. I mean, there's no denying that.
But
So
like,
I think that
when it does hit, or does it feel?
like I said, I would need to be in the passenger seat of mine,
Right.
but this thing does pull like a freight train.
Yeah.
So
The gearing's pretty rad with this 6-speed.
your spool is quicker,
so
but mine, I'm not gonna have to shift as much. So it's gonna, that's really where it's gonna weigh
only
in.
One shift difference.
Yeah.
Like if we both start off in second gear,
But a one shift is kind of big.
I can shift
I
pretty
think.
quick without grinding.
You're an asshole.
I've never heard somebody grind as many gears as
Dude, I grind so many, it's
You're
not even
shifting
funny.
too fast.
I think that's, well, I'm used to the roadster, like flat foot shifting, like not caring.
That's ignorant to install in an all-wheel drive car. So there's so many more moving parts in an all-wheel drive car, right?
Mhm.
You've got the front diff, the rear diff,
Yeah.
4 axles, the transmission's got way more inertia. You can't shift.
You can't like,
You can't Honda boy shift.
yeah,
You're gonna
well that's
fucking
my
destroy the
problem.
transmission.
Yeah.
So what you have to do is when you're ready, you just do it like that as fast as you can.
I always get
'Cause
worried.
You can pull out as fast as you can. As fast as you want, you can pull out. You just can't
gotta
go
give
in.
it a second to go in.
When it goes in, you gotta just wait for it. It'll pull itself in if you keep pressure on it. But
look, this guy teaching me how to shift. So Tommy gave me a little gift, or I guess Anton a little gift. He just wanted them out of his shop. They're pretty pristine 1/8 seats because these came out of the K Miata, right?
I would hit this with a lighter. If you hit that with a lighter, it just fucking
You
melts
think
it
so?
up. Yeah, I'll show you right now.
My luck, the whole seat will catch on fire. I guess it wouldn't be a huge loss. Dang, dude. Wait, get right there? Oh, it's done? Okay, you're burning it now. Dude, stop fucking with my seats, dude. Is it weird that I like that smell?
It's gross.
Really?
It sucks.
Can I have that too?
No.
I can't believe you still have that. That thing's like 2 years old.
I don't lose shit like you.
Okay. Well,
Yo, how does this window work? Just going down on its own.
No.
Yeah.
Well, dude, I gotta go make some magic happen with this thing. So
with the GTR probably.
The GTR is gonna come here soon.
Weird, because I thought you were.
We just had that conversation.
You guys all full of piss and vinegar, ready to come race, and here you are with this Miata.
If you guys want to see what happened to my GTR, go to Tommy's video.
Yeah, do that.
Well, we're going to Anton's grandparents. We're gonna go excavate some shit. So I get to Anton's grandparents, and this dude is ripping this excavator. What are you doing, dude?
Fixing stuff, dude.
Nice.
What, you give me seats?
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Tommy's gift.
Tommy.
Free.
Tommy's less than I thought.
All right, guys, so it's time to look at the Miata that caught on fire. If you guys don't know how the Miata caught on fire, when we were building this, what happened, buddy? You stripped the bolt?
I did. I shipped the bolt. We hose clamped it.
We thought it was...
Let the record be shown. I drove it for 3 months like this. Chris got in it one day and it was done.
Yeah. So to fix the problem, instead of extracting the bolt, we put a hose clamp to the fuel rail and tightened it to the intake manifold. I told him it wasn't a good idea, but he did it anyways. It ran great for him.
It worked for a while, actually.
Worked great. Of course, when I buy it, I drive it, thing fucking goes up in flames.
Wait a minute.
What?
Wait a minute.
What's going on?
Come here.
I'm nervous. Is this my Milwaukee?
Yeah, I took it out today.
You asshole. Thing's just on the ground. That's an $800 gun, dude. Yeah, we were actually on the way to the shop to fix that.
It's still in here.
Still in there, dude. Fuck, we can use these. Hell yeah, do we have 2 of them? Ooh, that was loud and annoying. Check the other side. That's a good find. Oh my god, this thing sucks, dude.
We have 1, dude.
Okay. Well, as you can see, this is the inside. Oh my god, there's nothing salvageable. Like maybe the center console.
This was at that house I lived in after I moved out, and I mean, like, they destroyed it 10 times. Like, the taillights are smashed.
Wait, what? They just decided to smash them?
Yeah, like, look at this.
Oh my god. Did they just get bored and start fucking it up?
I mean, this fender was shot anyway, but they, like, kicked it in. Like, just being a bunch of assholes.
Idiots. Open the hood, dude. Let's see it. I haven't seen this thing in over a year, I feel like. Oh my god, that turbo is so rusty. Dude, it's so iodized and shit.
Yeah, man.
How's the...
It's good. I checked it today.
Dude, there's literally no play.
I know.
There's 0 play in that thing.
I was surprised myself.
Like, it looks like a pile of shit, but I'm hoping that this thing will spool up well. I forget, did we ever get to figure this out with no leaks?
I did.
So it didn't leak?
It leaks a little.
Yeah.
Way better than it did.
Okay, cool. Right when I bought this turbo, it came with bolts, and the bolts that it came with, I tightened in, and then they got stuck. I snapped one, so I called Grant. And Grant came, he was like, oh, you're an idiot. And he tried, got stuck, snapped a second. So after that, I just got new bolts, and that was that. But, I mean, what do you want to do, man? Do you want to pull this fucking thing?
Hose clamp.
There's the hose clamp. It still lives.
I mean,
this is gross.
I'm thinking we pulled the turbo, we get this motor out. This is
Okay.
what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
What if I just take that there excavator
Yeah.
and we just fucking flip this thing on its side?
Flip it on its side. I mean, is everything done on top? I mean, everything's burned off, so it's like
fuck it.
Can't really do much.
I'll use the thumb and I'll just, you gotta take turbo off, I'll use the thumb, I'll grab the fucking motor and rip it right out.
Oh my god. We just need to get the exhaust manifold off. That's really it.
What if we pick this up, take the intercooler off,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll take all that stuff off so none of that gets broken. Flip it up on its side. We'll take the oil pan off because we need, we're going to pull the motor so it won't matter. But we'll disconnect everything from the bottom, pull the motor out, and...
I mean, fuck it, man. I'm going to follow your lead, so let's do this.
So let's get a chain in the excavator.
Okay, sounds good. Can this just stay up?
Can if you make it.
Yeah! Crispy. All right, so Anton's got it to the radiator support right now, or the front crash bar I'm at. I guess go for it, dude. Fuck. This isn't sketchy or anything. Welcome back to Connecticut. Intercooler just fell out. That's good.
That's sick.
That's one less thing we got to do. Yeah, let me move it. Don't drop it on me. All right, one less thing we gotta do. Oh, it's still stuck. Still stuck. You're an asshole. Really? Come on.
All right, so what's the plan?
We gotta yank the engine out, dude.
So do you want me to take this thing so it stands straight up and down?
Yeah, I think we should take the intercooler piping off, the radiator.
Just pull it.
Just pull it?
It's already unhooked. Here, I'll go down a little. Hold on.
Whoa. This is better than a fucking lift, dude.
You like that?
I do, actually.
A lot quicker.
That vacuum line, just pull that vacuum line off. And then you can go up and then I can get her out.
Heat shrink down.
Yeah. Oh my, yeah, there you go. Now you can just yank it out. It's just like that, dude. And then I think to get the radiator out is that one bottom hose clamp. So we can just raise that up, get it from the bottom and yank that out because that's good as well. I think we're doing pretty good. We got the intercooler piping. I took the trunk lid. I'm gonna paint this whatever color we want the Miata. I'm gonna paint this in the bumper because the bumper and trunk lid are still salvageable. I took this rear spoiler just in case we want it. It's just a double-sided tape, so that's pretty cool. We do have the big boy lips. We're not gonna go super low, so we can definitely use that. Oh my God, dude. What the actual fuck? This isn't a terrible way of working on cars.
That's what I'm saying.
If you don't care for your life, I guess, this is safe.
This is mint.
Pop this sucker out. Come on, buddy. All right, radiator's out, dude. Going back up. I think this radiator is good. There's no reason it should be bad. It was just in a fire, that's all. A little rusty, it's fine.
Good.
What?
Unhook it from the back of the bucket.
Unhook at the back of the bucket?
Yeah.
It's getting harder to see. It's getting dark. Oh my God, oh my God, dude. Oh. I guess that's good. What the fuck? What's your plan now?
Take the drive shaft off, all that shit. I'll lower it down, we'll do the motor mounts.
Oh my God.
Probably gas.
You know what? We could probably get to that screw easier now because we can see it. I wish it wasn't so dark out. All right, guys, so you can't see shit, but gas is absolutely dumping out the side of this. Dude, Miata Fire Part 2 or what?
Yeah.
So the point of putting it on its side now is we couldn't get the drive shaft just attached off of the transmission because all of the weight of the transmission engine was pushing it down. I hope not.
You told me I was good.
No, you're good. Look, you just missed.
Dude.
You just missed it, dude. Oh.
That would have been bad.
Yeah, it would have. That would have sucked. So guys, it's the next day. We had to stop what we were doing just because it was pouring rain. It was pitch black out. Couldn't see a damn thing. So this is kind of where we left off. We got the intercooler off. We got the piping off. We got this off, which I want to reuse because the one on Anton's Miata has a big crack like right here that you can see. There's a little crack on this one right here, but it's gonna be behind the license plate, so it's not that big of a deal. And like I said, we took the trunk lid so we can actually paint those stuff whatever color we wanna do. I got the intake manifold just in case we wanna paint that black. It's easier to paint that one black and take the one off the car later. We got the radiator out. Really the only thing we need to do is we need to pull the engine, we need to take the turbo. We need to do something about this rust, man. This is disgusting. Oh my, I've never seen a turbo more shitty than this one, and it sucks because this thing was pristine, but I guess it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal as long as she's still spooling, still making power. Like when I say this thing has no shaft play, it literally has zero play. So hopefully the fire didn't do too much damage. I guess there's only one way to find out. But I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys, because Anton is working right now. Otherwise we would be working on this thing. But I need to go to the Tommy shop right now. A couple people were mad in the comment section below that I haven't talked about the GTR yet. And the reason being why I haven't talked about the GTR is just because like I wasn't ready to work on it or do anything about it. And Anton had the weekend off. So I wanted to chill with Anton, have a good time. And now that Anton's at work, we can go ahead and we can go to Tommy shop and start working on the GTR. So you guys will find out tomorrow. It's gonna suck for me. Probably entertaining for you guys, but suck for me. See you tomorrow. Peace out.